Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the smartphone camera video microphone kit by UHURU. It's the type is UCM-11PL Super-Cardioid Shotgun Podcast Microphone with LED light, adjustable tripod, mini ball head, and a phone holder. Wow, compatible with phones, cameras, camcorders, personal computer, etc. You have Super-Cardioid Directional Shotgun Microphone. The shotgun microphone is designed with super-cardioid polar pattern, which mainly pick up sounds in front of the microphone and reduces other surrounding sounds, ensuring that our subject is isolated from any background noise. Delivers clear, crisp sound quality, especially suitable for close-up sounds pickup. It's easy, plug and play, and LED photography light is on top. The V-Log microphone is mainly powered by the smartphone's cameras, camcorders, or PC external microphone input, requiring no batteries to operate. Features with a 49 ultra bright LED. There are 1/4 screw and cold shoe mount for the microphone and LED light. But take care, the LED requires 2 AA batteries, 1.5 voltage batteries, and of course the batteries are not included. But for the mic, you will not need the power, because the power comes out of the device, smartphone, PC, etc., camcorder as well. Universal compatibility. The video microphone is compatible with DSLR cameras, smartphones like my iPhone, camcorders, personal computers, and other audio-video recording devices. You can download Open Camera to record videos on Android phones, for example, and use an original 3.5mm lightning adapter if you're going to use those phones without a 3.5mm headphone jack, because this is not included. I need an adapter because I am going to run this multiple purpose V-Log microphone with my smartphone. But it's not so expensive, no problem. The interview microphone comes with adjustable tripod, phone clamp, wind foam, TRRS audio cable, and TRRS to TRS adapter. For smartphone, tablets, or Macintosh, please use 3.5mm TRRS cable. For other devices, you may use the 3.5mm TRRS to TRS adapter. This is ideal for interview, Instagram, Twitch, YouTube live streaming, Skype call, and video logging, and so many more. Multi-purpose video microphone, and this is really awesome because you look so professional if you're going to have a shot outdoor with this multi-purpose V-Log microphone. Oh yeah, really nice. Oh yeah. We are professionals. Ha ha ha. Features with a 49 ultra bright LED, and there are 1/4 screw and cold shoe mount for the microphone and LED light. That means it is possible to use all your other equipment with this multi-purpose V-Log microphone set. It is compatible. Really awesome. The video light has 3 modes of brightness: strong, medium, soft, and we can adjust the brightness by the back knob button on the light, selecting free the brightness we prefer. It's really easy to attach and it's really easy to use. You have a 360-degree ball head, an angle adjustable tripod, and a 1/4 20 thread on the bottom side and 90 degrees rotation on the, I think it is on the upside of your smartphone clamp system. And additive on the smartphone clamp, there is a cold shoe mount. This cold shoe is using so many other devices are using that 1/4 thread and cold shoe mount. This is compatible to the most other equipment. It's compatible with the most smartphones in the market from 2.8 inches to 3.7 inches wide. You will get a video microphone, a mini tripod, and wind foam, an LED photographic light, and a TRRS audio cable, and a phone clamp, and a TRRS to TRS adapter. That is all what you need, really. You can fill the light, you can use it for live streaming, for video call, for vlogging, etc. And I'm going to use this for outdoor shots. Simple plug and play. Rugged construction, compatible with DSLR cameras, smartphones, consumer camcorders, personal computers, etc. Compact on-camera microphone, adjustable light, video light, pro shotgun microphone, and you will not need any battery for this. And includes a mini tripod, phone clamp, video light, wind foam. This is possible, or this wind foam you have to use outside if there is a little bit windy, okay? And it's really better with wind foam, oh yeah. Transducers, electret condenser, a polar pattern is Super-Cardioid, frequency response is 50 Hz to 14 kHz, sensitivity is -40 decibel, ±3 decibel, and the signal to noise ratio is 70 decibel, the maximum PL is 130 decibel. The cable is TRRS audio cable with 3.5mm plug. The plug adapter is TRRS to TRS. The dimensions are 13 in the diameters and 126mm length. The mic. The light maximum output is 5.5 watt. The beam angle is 60 degrees. The luminous flux is 800 lumen. The color temperature is 6000 Kelvin, and the color rendering index RR is round about more than 90%. Really awesome. It's easy to attach. You have so many connectivity options to use your own stuff with this multi-purpose vlog microphone, and of course you can attach the mic on different angles, and of course you can use it only the LED spot, you can use only the clamp, you can use only the tripod, but you can also use all together. Install the microphone on the camera hot shoe. Connect the TRRS plug into the microphone and connect the other side TRRS plus with TRRS adapter. And then connect the TRS plug adapter into the camera mic jack. This is the standard way if you're going to use a camera system. If you are going to use a mobile phone, install all the components of the microphone kit. Then they are ready for work. Connect the TRS cable between the microphone and the mobile phone. Job's done. If you're going to use a smartphone from Apple, example, without headphone jack, you have to use an adapter for it, of course. Then you connect the cable to the microphone, then the cable of the microphone to the adapter, and the adapter comes into your dock of your iPhone. Really easy, and you can see it how it works here. And setting from the app the mobile phone with audio sources from external microphone if you're using Android. In case of an Apple device, it switches automatically to the mic. If you're going to use this on a computer, use the UCM-11PL microphone for laptop or video or voice recording. The laptop, if only has a mic and earphone female jack included, just use TRS cable connected between the microphone and the laptop. If some computer has a separated audio jack need connected to the TRS cable to TRS adapter, then connected to mic cable jack on the computer, job's done. Then you have no problem with the sound. Easy, as you can see. It's a good and not too expensive, good device. It's compatible with Canon, Nikon, Sony DSLR cameras, and of course Android phones, iOS phones, Windows systems, iPads, iPhones, Samsung devices, etc. Why every device out there with a headphone jack, really, or an adapter to a headphone jack. It sounds good. It's okay, no problem. It will brings your sound to a new level. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.